This is the new WOWTAC W1 flashlight. Probably the most economic EDC carry of 2020 for under $20. This is the light, USB, chargeable. Comes with 650 mAh battery, 16340. As you can see, the back is magnetic. That's iron from a river. The back is magnetic, so you can stick this to your car, under your hood, a knife. Stick it wherever you need it. I'm going to read you the specs, show you everything it comes with. There's also something going on very special with this right now. Okay, it comes with extra O-rings, and it comes with an extra USB cap. Although I'm pretty careful with mine, and I have some of these that are 3-4 years old. Not this particular light, but some like this, and I've never replaced the cap or the O-rings. Comes with your charging cord. And a clip where you can clip this on either way. You can clip this like this, or I think, no, you can only clip it one way. Okay, you can clip that like that. But the way the hook is set, you can hook it on your shirt this way, or you can hook it on your hat brim this way, turn it into a headlight. So that's pretty neat. It also has a lanyard here. But I believe I left that in my car. It does come with a lanyard here. Let me read you the specs. Okay, on Firefly, 5 lumens, it'll run 29 days off of that battery. Low, 12 lumens, 25 hours. Medium, 60 lumens, 5 hours. High, 179 lumens, 96 minutes. Turbo, 1.75 minutes, and then it'll flick. It gets hot. I don't believe the battery runs out though. Strobe, 150 lumens, 3.5 hours. You have a 30-day refund. You may return most unopened items sold in 30 days. 2-year maintenance. We will provide 2 years maintenance service, but the cost of the parts will be charged. Freight should be paid by customers. But like I said, I've had some of these years. They've got dings all over them. They've been dropped all over, and they just don't fail. So as an EDC carry for under $20, just about $20. Your low, medium, high, double click, turbo, triple click, strobe. Just a real close look at it. The USB, make sure that's down if you're near water. And now the drop test. Here it goes from shoulder height. Smacked hard. One more. And it works, no problem at all. I'll show you the night test and the water test. But there's going to be a link to their Facebook for this light. And they're giving away these lights free. So not only is this light a great light, it's a great budget light from a really good company, a really reliable company. They stand behind their product. WOWTAC is supported by Through Night, both great lights. I've never had one of them fail. And mine are put through some serious abuse There's a couple dings on it. 6061 aluminum knurled. It'll fit in your watch pocket in your Levi's with this clip on the outside. You can have that lanyard right there to pull it out real quick. On your hat, either way. Like I said, there's a link for their Facebook. Get on there, register, enter to get yourself a free light, and write a review. There'll also be a link to get it on Amazon. When you get it on Amazon, please take the time to write a review. They want people to take these out and put them through the test. They want to see what people think of them. Talk about improvements, what you want, your opinions. Whenever you buy one, leave your opinion. It helps a lot of other people. So right now I'm going to show you at night, and then at the end of this video there'll be some links, and also the links will be in the details right down below this video where you can sign up to get your free light. Thanks for watching. I'm going to show you this new WOWTAC W1 mini light. Special offer going right now. Let me shut my headlight off. Medium, high, turbo. From this little light, not much. Watch this. Look at that. That's the turbo. Low, medium, high, low, medium, high, turbo. That's about 100 feet up. It's like a firefly. Low. Medium. Low. Medium. High. High. There's turbo. It's incredible. So I'll show you more of this in the light. Oh. Now, it is USB, but watch this. About a foot of water. Look at that. Look at that. Underwater. They're great lights. Great lights. Look at that. Under the sand. Under the water. Great lights. Here's an example of how you use the magnet. You get the lake before sunup. you're setting your poles up over here. Turn on. You got yourself a light. You can angle this light however you want. Put it however you want, pointing down, however you want. Very convenient. For comparison of size, here are 4 WOWTACs that I have. The W1, A4V2. I have videos on all of these. A5 and the A4. This thing is a thrower. For distance, this thing is awesome. These are pretty close in like flood and distance. I believe this one's got more distance than this one, if I remember right. And this one's got more flood. But as you can see, you can't carry these in your pocket all the time. These are not EDC. Great camping, backpacking, outdoor lights. But for EDC, this weighs very little. All the weights, dimensions, and everything will be in the details below. They might even be running across the screen in various parts of the video. Matter of fact, I will put them in the video, various parts. So the WOWTAC W1. Hey kitty. Spotlight on the cat. Kitty. See that? Even cats want to check it out. See that? She's saying, this is a fine light. Thanks for watching.